In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on Wix in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to freshen up your entire website or just tweak a particular section, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your site looks just the way you want it. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Wix account. You'll want to head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the Wix dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all things related to your website. Take a moment to look around if you're not already familiar with it, as this is where you'll perform all your edits and updates. With access to the dashboard, you're ready to make changes. Navigate to the site you wish to edit and click on Edit Site. This will take you to the Wix Editor, a powerful tool that offers a lot of flexibility. Once you're in the editor, focus your attention on the toolbar on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a variety of options for customizing your site. Now, let's focus on accessing the background settings. Consider whether you're changing the background for the entire page or just a specific section, like a strip or container. If you're planning to modify the background for the whole page, look out for the Page Background button. This is where you can change things up for the entire canvas of your site. If you just want to tweak a smaller part, like a specific section or strip, click on the section you want to edit and then look for the background change options specifically for that section. For those who are changing the entire page background, click on Change Page Background. A new menu will pop up showing you different options such as colors, images, or even videos. You can choose from the available options provided by Wix,